Good evening. Tonight I am going to be making a drink for tomorrow's get together with the YouTube gang. Citrus and fruit sangria. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be marinating the fruit into the alcohol. But first, our ingredients are some fruit. So what we're using is peaches. Didn't I buy 2 of these? Where's the other one? Yeah. 2 green apples. Only 1 red delicious apple because somebody here ate one.
Which is the other flip kitty.
And I'm using blood orange sky vodka. So this is actually the first time I'm using blood orange to marinate the fruit. So we'll find out tomorrow, right? Because this has to marinate and absorb overnight. So I'm just going to show you how we prepare this. Let's get going. So the first thing that you do with any type of produce is you wash it. Give it a good rinse. Dry them off a little bit. Okay, so what you want to do with these is basically slice them. We're going to slice these fruits different ways. The apples are going to be sliced fairly small, not too small. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the apple in 8s. And we're just going to slice them this big. So about that size would be good. You don't want to go any smaller than this. And then all you have to do is put it in your pitcher. And we'll just keep doing this to the rest of the apples. As far as the peaches, you want the peaches a little bigger than the apples because the peach is a little less dense than apples, and they will absorb alcohol more or quicker. So what we want to do with this is we want to pit them first because they do have a pit, right? Or the seed, right? So all you need to do is take that out, and that's it, pretty much, right? And that's all we want out of the peaches. They're sweet. And put them in your pitcher. Oh, and we also have some blueberries that we're just gonna throw in there. These blueberries are sweet as well. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take a handful of these, like so. Give them a good wash. There you go. Throw it in our... And that's basically it for our fruit. I mean, I have to add the rest of the fruit that I have here. Slice them up and add them in. But for right now, we can go ahead and add our vodka. So what you want to do is you want to saturate, right? You want to saturate the fruit. So you want to saturate the fruit, and you can stick this in the fridge overnight. And then once you're ready to make your sangria, all you need to do is grab your fruit and
si fuiste mi mujer. Por lo que yo he visto y lo que te gusta, amor de tu vida yo no voy a hacer. Dame una noche, te voy a demostrar que soy el pecado que amas cometer. Chica, y si tú quisieras una sola vez